Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to change the time zone on your desktop, whether you are traveling or just need to adjust your settings, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First of all, open Slack and make sure you are logged in. Next, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, select Preferences. This will open the settings window. Now, select language and region from the options. This is where you can adjust both your language and time zone. To change your time zone, first untick Set Time Zone Automatically under the Time Zone section. Make sure the option is turned off. Under the Time Zone section, you can choose your time zone by clicking on the drop-down menu. From here, select the correct time zone for your location. For example, if you want to select a time zone for Hawaii, just find it in the list and click on it. You are done. Once you have made your selection, your time zone will automatically update. You are all set. And that's it. Changing the time zone on your desktop is that simple. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.